like your bath?
Anybody got match?
Button. You don't like your bath, Mama? You sad?
I'm ready. You ready, JD? I'm ready. Let's do it. All right.
Aw, poor Button.
Unknown, highly explosive territory. So Adam uses a longer fuse for added safety.
You're gonna fall off the couch.
This is one of the cool things we've done. Or possibly the stupidest. But now there's no turning back. Here you go.
Button. Button.
Oh my God. Dude, that was sweet.
That was awesome. That was exactly the goal. Only bigger. I saw massive salt and pepper flame ball. It just kept getting brighter and brighter and brighter and larger. It's a massive fireball, at least 50 feet high. The high-speed camera reveals the rapid acceleration of the burn. 1 billion matches went up in smoke as quickly as 30,000.
Her eyes.
Like a rocket engine.
Did you hear she went?
Even Jamie giggled, and I think that
Tummy, tummy, tummy.
What's happening?
Your teeth. Grr, show me teeth. Grr. Show me teeth.